In this video we're going to review two new features, or relatively new features, in IO Edition: fixed stars and Arabic parts. We usually don't review more than one item, but because these work in a very much the same fashion, we can show you both at once and it will save you time. You won't have to watch a second video. My library window is open. I always recommend leaving it open when you quit the program. I'm going to select a chart file to open. Now there's several ways that you can get information into the program to create a report. One, I can select a file, double click on it with the card open, and it's a front card, so it's the active card. I go back to special. In this case I'll select fixed stars, but I could select Arabic parts as well. And there I have instantly calculated the fixed star report for this individual. Now say I want to change it. I can go down, I can click on anybody's name, hold, drag it, and there I have an instant calculation of Hans Arp's fixed stars. Another way to open it or get the information in is, again, click on the name of the individual, then go to special, select fixed stars or Arabic parts. You notice I didn't have to open the card, I just highlighted this name in the saved card and it's instantly calculated. So a number of ways you can get information in here quickly. Drag and drop is a wonderful feature of the program and of Mac, as you know, Mac, so very easy. Now in your fixed star reports, we're now going to go to the top right hand corner of the report. Under settings, click that one time. It opens a screen on which you'll select the bodies that you want to include and calculate, the aspects that you want to calculate. Then you will select, to calculate, well, I have to tell you how to do that, don't I? If they're surrounded or outlined in blue, they are active. If you want them to be inactive, not part of your report, you click them, turn them off, add them. It's very simple, same with aspects. Next thing we're going to do is select the collection of stars that you want to use. There are several in here. All named stars, B waters, bright stars, Ebertine, Lily, Robson, and Zodiac. Right now we'll select all named stars. Click OK. Instantly you have your report. Now let's go back to that settings window. We left this as unsorted. It can be awkward to look at, so you can select how you wish to have it sorted: by name, longitude, constellation, right ascension, or house. In this case I'm going to select house. I'm also going to change the collection of stars, and we're going to go to Ebertine. So I click both, click OK, instantly calculated, and you see it's by house. As we scroll back up to the top of the report, first, second, third. The reports give you the star name, the constellation, the longitude, the latitude, the right ascension, the declination, the house, the rulership, the nature, the aspects, and you see I skipped one. This is a conjunction symbol. If they're conjunct with planets within 1 degree, you'll see the conjunct symbol show up in this list. It's very rare, but you'll see it happen. So there's fixed stars. Now we'll select Arabic parts. Again, it works very much in the same fashion. I had a name highlighted. I could have had a card open. Ansel Adams is there. Grab the name, pull it over. Let's do Ansel Adams though. Drag and drop. Settings, top right hand corner. Again, anything in blue is going to be active and be calculated. Turn it off by clicking on it one time. Sorting. You can sort this in a number of ways. You can no sorting, of course. You can sort by name of the the Arabic part. Sort by the longitude or sort by house. We'll leave it as sort by name. Click OK. It's already calculated. Now, in both fixed stars and Arabic parts, if you want to send a report to someone, or you want to, you can of course print it. If you wish to send it to someone, the best format is PDF. It's a universal format. It can be read on any computer, PC or Mac, any device, and it's a safe format. So with the report selected, you go to File, select Print, or you can hit Command P on your keyboard, of course, and we have the print dialog window with PDF at the bottom left. You can actually mail out of PDF, mail a PDF directly if you have the right email service, and the best way to find out is just to test it and see if it shows up. But most people will save as a PDF and then attach it, and that way they have a saved copy of it. So I'm selecting Save as PDF. We'll just call this Test Arabic Parts. And I've already have it on my desktop. You can create a folder in your documents. You don't want to store this in our program. In the program, if you're seeing part of the program, that's for data. This is not where you want to store it. So desktop is where I want to store this, and I have a test fixed stars over here already, as you see. I'm going to save the Arabic parts, and there we have it. We can attach that to an email. Double click it, open it up. Quit. Now, if you have a smaller screen or a super high resolution screen and you want to view this list larger, you can go ahead and change the size of the list, and that's a different video, but we can show you how to do that. But the easy way to do it would be to go back up to File, select Preview, or as you see, it's Command Option P on your keyboard. Select Preview, and there you have a large version of it that's easy to see, easy to scroll through, and you can also save your file out of this too. Now the last thing I think we'll look at will be these 5 buttons. Any of you who have our software already know what these buttons are. Each one is a preset color combination. Now excuse mine, I play around with them a lot and they're very ugly. But you can change the background colors, you can change the font colors, you can change the glyph colors, the individual glyph colors in your preference settings in any of your programs. And each one of these is a different setup. Recommend that if you're going to be printing them, you don't want to print any of the solid backgrounds. They'll use up a printer cartridge fast. You probably already know that if you've tried something like that. So, and then there's black and white. And again, any of the 5 buttons can be changed to your own preferences for color backgrounds, for fonts, for font colors, for the individual glyph colors, and I think we have covered it. There's one last thing I'd like to look at for the Arabic parts again. In Arabic parts, I think I overlooked the different columns. We have the part of, in other words, what it is, of course, the formula used to generate it, the position, the house, and the aspects. So there you have it, Arabic parts, fixed stars. Recommendation, if you're new to fixed stars, there's a site called Constellation of Words. That's www.Constellation of Words. Excellent site that has all sorts of information about fixed stars, their history, just what they're about, all sorts of good information. I recommend it. So that's it. Thank you. Enjoy your fixed stars and Arabic parts, and enjoy your IO edition. As always, if you have any questions, please be sure to let us know. Thank you very much.